What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I made a video. It's been a while since I uploaded an actual video. I've been throwing the shorts in there here and there, but the last video I made was when we went to the track and ended up breaking the rear up and all that. So it's just been a lot going on, a lot that's about to go on. It's just been hectic lately and busy, and the car's been the last thing on my mind. Like I said, a lot of things changed, like what I'm driving now. So I'll touch on all that eventually, but for now I just want to throw something out there. The other night we went out testing Mike's car, which if you guys been watching for a while, you know it's the white SN95. He just pretty much redid everything, got rid of a lot of weight, just trying to make it faster. And then we got the pizza truck, which is Paul's truck. Right now that's kind of turned down on pump gas. It's a similar setup to mine. And I've been doing a little tweaking with the tune, trying to get it to spool up and all, and trying to clean the fuel map up for the pump gas. And we were just out there testing and tuning pretty much, trying to get everything ready, because it's about to be that time where there's going to be a lot of stuff going on. It's the end of the year, so I really want to get into the no prep and the backside stuff and street stuff, because I spent a lot of time wasted on the track, really, because I really didn't accomplish anything. I mean, I cleaned the tune up and learned what boost made what, and I did get a personal best, but I've had slicks sitting there from Ted Gibson for about 6 months now, so they need to be put back on. But like I said, I'll get into all that eventually, and for right now, just enjoy this clip of some street action, and I will see you guys very shortly with some car stuff. gonna go right. That wasn't gate.
That sounded a lot better.
That definitely wasn't wastegate. That sounded angry. That sounded angry. Alright, whenever you're ready. Nah, you're all-wheel drive.
I'm in a 30 lane.
Nah, you're all-wheel drive. It don't matter.
I'm in a fucking 30 lane.